one, get one free tag throughout the store. You can save on lunchbox eats, healthy treats, and so much more. Sprouts has everything kids and parents need to fuel up for the school year. Hurry down to your neighborhood Sprouts Farmers Market for all your healthy groceries and enjoy buy one, get one free on select items through September 6th while supplies last. That's Sprouts Farmers Market.
It's our final sale of the summer. Hey, it's Shondo Grant of DGDG. And during our annual Labor Day sales event, we've got exciting incentives plus thousands of new and used cars in stock with hundreds of new vehicles in transit. You can buy your new or used car from start to finish completely online with our exclusive no-brainer checkout. And yes, you can even reserve your new ride while in transit. Don't miss our annual Labor Day sales event at DGDG.
When you're happy and you know it in San Diego, there's no limit to how you can show it. Endless sunshine, coastline, and outdoor adventures inspire waves of feel-good vibes. Plan your trip today at sandiego.org.
Ever since I got the new Galaxy Z Flip 4, I've been learning all these new tricks with my dog Finn. Like how to take the best selfies at the park. I just set my phone down, put it in flex mode, and capture hands-free pics from multiple angles. Or how to capture our training sessions for his followers. I simply wave my hand to start recording video. Good boy! Plus, the Z Flip 4 is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket.
Wow. Visit Sam today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4.
When you buy low-quality sneakers, you always regret it. Soon, everything starts to hurt. Your feet, your ankles, your knees. And that part of you thought was still young, it hurts too. Don't have the same regret with roadside assistance. Join AAA, America's most recommended roadside service with the highest customer satisfaction. Become a member for as little as $5 a month at AAA.com. AAA, outsmart life.
Have you ever noticed that when the afternoon light hits your floors, you can see everything, including dust?
So much dust.
And that poor dust gets kicked up into the air, compromising the quality of air you and your family breathe. Swiffer Heavy Duty Sweeper is the fast and easy way to clean your floors, with ultra-thick pads that trap and lock dust before it gets in the air. Just a couple minutes a day,
And dust is gone.
Swiffer Heavy Duty Sweeper. Proud partner of the American Lung Association.
Get ready for a record-scratching, beat-dropping, guitar-smashing, encore-chanting best night ever, every night. This is Live in Vegas, featuring artists like Silk Sonic, The Weeknd, Kendrick Lamar, Imagine Dragons, Katy Perry, Richie, plus everything else that makes Las Vegas like nowhere else on the planet. Because you're not just seeing a show, you're seeing a show in Vegas, where you can enjoy live to the fullest. See the full lineup at visitlasvegas.com.
Breathe new life into life at home with IKEA Festival. 10 topics, one purpose. To get more out of the homes we love. What are you passionate about? Art? Dance? Music? Food? Fur babies? Get inspired, create, and share with us. With celebrations, giveaways, IKEA family offers, and live streams with expert advice. It's all happening at IKEA Festival. Join us from August 26th through September 10th online or at your local IKEA store. Learn more at IKEA-USA.com.
On the south side, we got 6 poly panels. And please, make sure they're flush.
Kwame is to solar power.
He
He needs more certified installers before the sun sets on his business boom.
Let's pick up the pace. We got a long day.
Indeed can help him hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
T-Mobile believes customers deserve to get more without paying more. It's like Netflix on Us, to travel benefits, to scam shield protection, all with taxes and fees is the price you pay. When you're a T-Mobile customer, you get over $225 in value every month in benefits with our Max Family Plan.
That's like paying for nosebleed seats and getting to sit in the front row.
That's right. At T-Mobile, your family gets over $225 worth of value and benefits with our Max Plan each and every month. Plus, with our Price Lock Guarantee, it's your rate plan price for talk, text, and data ever.
That's like paying for a cab and getting a stretch limo.
At T-Mobile, value beyond the expected.
Qualifying service required. Value based on included monthly benefits. Sales tax and regulatory fees included in Max's monthly price. Price Lock guarantees great price. Talk, text, and data
Exclusions apply. See details at T-Mobile.com.
Star 1013 with more variety from the 2000s.
From the 90s.
And today.
On radio, smart speaker, or the iHeartRadio app. This is Star 1013.
from the 2000s, the 90s, and today.
Star 1013.
Is that a clock? Yeah, it's thick 30. I've been through a lot, but I'm still flirty. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you feeling. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? I've been so a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck, way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, that's the girl I was or used to be. Tell my people, turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay, alright. It's about that time, turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about that time. You know what time it is, I'm coming out tonight, I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight, I'm coming out tonight.